When it comes to charge your Sony battery, you don't have that much option if you're looking at Sony. This is their charger. You have to put the battery like that, and you need an extra cable, an electrical cable, to connect it to the power. Personally, when I travel, I use this Apple connector that I put just right here so I don't have to carry a cable. So I connect that into the wall and it does work. But it's a terrible solution. Can I have something that works over USB-C? And yes, SmallRig does that. Okay, look at that. This weighs 142 grams. This weighs a third, 47 grams. And over that, you can put two batteries inside. So it acts as a charger and a carrying case. Look at that. It's smaller than the charger and it contains the two batteries. And I don't need to carry a power cable, just need to use one of the USB-C cable that I already have. And it does charge both batteries at the same time, and I can see the level of charging on 5 states instead of 3. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, SmallRig. Not sponsored. But you can use the link down below if you want to order it, and I will do a commission out of it. So thank you if you're doing it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.